Hey guys, a very happy new year, and we are starting the new year with an unboxing video. Because honestly, I am still learning some stuff about cubing, and as soon as I become an expert in especially 2 by 2, I'll post a video on that. And I didn't order the 6 by 6 just because I needed a magnetic one, but also yeah, my 6 by 6 is broken, so honestly I can't do anything. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, and we start with a bunch of stuff which is not necessary for the cube. Okay, it has a bunch of like springs and screws, which I guess we'll be needing later on if the cube is bad. And now let's get into the cube. Okay, okay, so the first impression of this cube is that it's really smooth, but if I apply too much pressure on it, then yeah, this is gonna happen. What the hell did I just do? Okay, never mind, I'll just scramble it. And but the outer layers are really smooth, and the downside of a 6 by 6 is that you cannot really corner cut, because then something like this will happen. So yeah, I have to avoid that because I constantly keep corner cutting. And it's way better than my last 6 by 6, which I don't know why I bought this. Holy. Okay, so yeah, after feeling this cube, this one feels really good, and it's definitely better, and it's a really suitable price for a magnetic cube. It's 1000 rupees, and yeah, I know it's a bit costly, but believe me, magnetic cubes don't come cheap. I have said that in one of my other videos also, that magnetic cubes are usually very costly, but overall this cube is very good. And I'm still not sure what to do with this stuff, but yeah, let's keep it. Who knows what happens. Oh, I knew this. It's gonna get caught now. So I'm pretty sure I can average about 2 minutes on this thing, because my last six on this 6 by 6 it was like 3 or 4 minutes. And why does it have such a strange surface? This one is glossy and this one is a bit strange for some reason, I don't know. So yeah, I'll show you my solve, and after that um, you can decide if you want to buy the cube or not. Okay guys, so the cube was very good overall, and I think that maybe the popping thing could be could be better, but it's really good. And if you want to buy the cube, I'll put the link in the description. Also, my analytics tell me that 58% of the people have not subscribed me who watch my video, so make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.